Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here today. This podcast is for beginners. We speak slowly and clearly. Yes, so you can listen, learn, and practice English easily. Today's topic is very useful. Pause. We will talk about food. Yes, food and health. Eating good food helps us stay strong, and healthy food makes us feel fresh and active. So get comfortable, and let's begin. Food makes people happy. Yes, food is comfort. But food is also health. Right, food is like fuel for our body. Fuel means energy. Good food gives good energy. Healthy food is food that is natural. Yes, fruits are healthy. Apples, bananas, grapes. Vegetables are also great, like carrots, broccoli, spinach. Vegetables help our body stay clean inside. Yes, home-cooked meals are very healthy. Warm tone. Simple food is best. Fast food is tasty. Serious tone. But fast food is not good every day. Too much oil and sugar is unhealthy. Eating on time is also important. Breakfast should not be skipped. Breakfast gives energy for the day. Lunch gives strength in the afternoon. And dinner should be light, gentle tone. Eating late at night is not good. A healthy breakfast can be simple, like fruits and oats. Eggs are also good. Yes, breakfast makes the morning better. Important tone. Water is very important. Yes, drink water every day. Water helps digestion. Digestion means breaking down food. Water also keeps our skin healthy. Softly. Try to drink 6 to 8 glasses daily. Healthy snacks are better, like fruits, nuts, or yogurt. Chips and candy are junk snacks. Junk food is not good daily. Eat junk food only sometimes. Sugar is everywhere. Too much sugar is harmful. Serious tone. It can harm teeth and health. Try to eat less sugar. Food is one part of health. Exercise is the second part. Yes, even simple walking is great. Walk 20 to 30 minutes daily. Exercise keeps the heart strong. A balanced meal has everything. Carbs give energy. Protein builds muscles. Vitamins keep us healthy. Simple tone. Balance is very important. Eating slowly is better. It helps digestion. And you enjoy food more. Don't overeat. Eating outside is okay too. Choose grilled food. Avoid too much fried food. Order salad or soup. Drink water, not soda. Friendly tone. Small choices matter. Morning, fruit and oats. Lunch, rice, vegetables and lentils. Snack, nuts or yogurt. Dinner, soup and salad. Smiling. That's a healthy day. Teacher voice. Now let's practice speaking. I eat healthy food every day. Pause. I drink water in the morning. Vegetables are good for my body. Fruits give me energy. I eat breakfast on time. I avoid too much junk food. Exercise makes me strong. Walking is good for health. I want a healthy life. I choose fresh food every day. Smiling. Today we talked about food and health. Eat fresh meals. Eat at the right time. Drink enough water. Exercise every day. Avoid too much sugar. Avoid too much junk food. Warm tone. A healthy body means a happy life. Thank you for listening, friends. If you enjoyed this episode, pause. Please like, share, and subscribe. What is your favorite healthy food? Bye-bye.